long been able to obtain library records in connection with a criminal investigation. I recognize that
on the hour of 9:30 having arrived, the Senate do each of you solemnly swear that the testimony you will present before the Senate Judiciary Committee will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? No. Attorney General Gonzales,
many of the most important authorities in the Act are scheduled to expire on December 31, 2005. It is important that these authorities remain available, in my judgment. Al-Qaida and other terrorist groups still pose a grave threat to the security of the American people, and now is not the time to relinquish some of our most effective tools in this fight. As Congress considers whether to renew these provisions, I am open to suggestions for clarifying and strengthening the Act. And I look forward to meeting with those both inside and outside of Congress who have expressed concerns about the Act. Of the 16 provisions scheduled to sunset, some members of this committee have raised the most concern about Sections 206. Prosecutors have long been able to obtain library records in connection with a criminal investigation. I recognize
the increased coordination and information sharing between intelligence and law enforcement agents facilitated by the Patriot Act has allowed the FBI to approach cases such as these as a single, integrated investigation that allows us to see the full picture, not separate pieces of a criminal case, separate pieces of an intelligence case, separate pieces of information. Critics of the Patriot Act's information sharing provisions have suggested that they lack sufficient safeguards or that they can be used to circumvent constitutional safeguards.
Why should you tell me a principled reason why you could subpoena someone's medical records, their bank records, their telephone records, but not subpoena their library records?
Well,
is there one?
I don't believe so, and I do not believe there should be a safe harbor for libraries. We have had occasions where we've had terrorists who are operating generally computers. Many libraries now, public libraries, have computers that you can have access to. And this has not been lost upon those who are affiliated with terrorist groups. We have had investigations in which we have seen persons associated with terrorist groups go into a library, use a library to communicate, or the computers in the library to communicate.
Pardon me, Senator Feinstein. Senator Feinstein.
Thank you very much. And the question comes whether we can really get in this country that corollary to MI5 with the structure that's set up today. I thought originally that we can. I must say I'm beginning to doubt it now. And the fact that this new commission once again came up with that same recommendation, I think it's something we need to look at.
The previous policy. And just in reference to what